Meaning of fluting.
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 Fluting. Fluting refers to the process of creating a series of regularly spaced grooves or ridges on a surface, typically on a column or pillar. The result is a decorative effect that enhances the visual appeal of the object and provides texture for improved grip. Fluting can vary in depth and width, with some designs incorporating intricate patterns or shapes. This technique has been used in architecture and design for centuries and continues to be popular today for its timeless and elegant appearance.